Welcome. If you want to clone apps in your ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, at first you have to go for the settings. Next, let's go for the search pool and type clone. Let's pick up the twin apps. It's right here. And here we get supported apps that are on our device. So we can, for example, clone YouTube by tapping on the switcher. And also when you scroll down, you can see other apps that you are able to clone. So if you like to use one of them, for example, WhatsApp Manager, you have to simply tap to download. But right now, just go back and check if it is working. So where is YouTube? It's right here. There's the first application of YouTube, and it works. So right now, where is the second? Okay, here it is, the second application with this yellow circle. And as you can see right now, when we tap on this background app, we get two YouTube apps at the same time. So we can also open it in the split screen, and as you can see, we can use two YouTube applications at the same time. So that's how it works. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.